Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Alderman, and I already tried one of these. I'm gonna try one more because I was trying to do a YouTube video and I messed it all up, so we gotta do this again. So here we go. This is disgusting, I'll tell you that. My reaction too. Nope. Go up! It's really bad. Yeah. Oh god! Holy shoot! Damn! Do instant gag. That is, the aftertaste is the worst part. Please say. I need to buy my chicken salad sandwich. I think I got food left. That was the worst snack I've ever put in my body. I don't know why. This ain't messing with my taste buds, I don't know. Ask me why, but when I was eating it for a little bit. And it's just an Indian snack, but that is horrible. That is disgusting. If you guys like this abomination, comment down below, because I don't know who the hell would actually eat these, but these are just the worst snacks in the world. These are the worst little, what are these anyways? Like hustle ingredients. These are the worst things I've ever put in my body. They're disgusting. The aftertaste is the worst part of all of it. I'm so glad I have that instant survival gear. Ah, man. You buy it, first bite, instant gag. The worst thing you can ever put in your body. Oh my gosh. Good thing I don't taste. Oh gosh, good thing I don't taste it anymore. But jeez, that was just disgusting. Holy crap! If you actually want a good snack, I suggest you get some Pockies. If you guys don't know what Pockies are, basically they're like kind of like a Japanese snack. I don't know, maybe they're American, I'm not sure. And they're little breadsticks, kind of, and they're like covered and whatnot stuff. My favorite ones are the chocolate ones. They're just the best things you can put in your body. I can finish a whole box in like 30 minutes. Also, get yourself some water. That's also pretty good. If you guys want to throw up, you can eat these. You can eat like 5 of these at once. But I am not ever again. Please don't make me do it in the comments. Don't make me do a challenge with them. If I have to... Okay, here's what I'll do. When I do a try not to laugh challenge, no matter how many times I laugh, I'm gonna eat one of those. And holy crap, it's gonna be horrible. But if you guys want to see it, comment down below. That was the worst thing I've ever put in my body. Holy crap.